this video, what are we supposed to learn? Learn important words for the IELTS speaking test. Understand how to effectively use a dictionary. Gain insights into phrasal verbs, idioms, verbs, and related vocabulary. Examples provided in short videos. Difficulty levels indicated from A1 to C2. Words color-coded to show relationships. Red color denotes words already discussed. Make ends meet. Idiom C1. To have enough money to buy what you need to live.
The only guy out there trying to make ends meet.
Because even at Sonny's rates, I couldn't make ends meet.
I'm tired of having to take temp jobs just to make ends meet.
Oh? And what do you do to make ends meet?
My genius will be wasted trying to make ends meet.
Be rolling in money. Be rolling in dough. Be rolling in cash. Be rolling in it. To have or earn a lot of money.
By the time this job is over, you'll be rolling in money, buying Maseratis and feeding your gal catfish dipped in gold.
Oh, yeah? You must be rolling in money then, huh?
And Catalina's father's filthy rich. He's rolling in it.
Hear me out, okay? I mean, we're rolling in cash.
We'll be rolling in cash, my friend.
Cut back. Phrasal verb. B2. To spend less, do less, or use less of something.
We have to cut back expenses every place we can.
Well, it's nobody's fault. We're just cutting back, it's economics.
Cut back on any alcoholic drinks, tobacco, caffeine.
Pay off. Phrasal verb. B2. To pay back money that you owe.
Well, I like to think of it more like I made an investment that didn't pay off.
Did he pay off the loans?
75% have lost their land to pay off debts.
Because I'm paying off all of your mortgage. You can pay off their parents' mortgage.
A rainy day. Idiom. A time when money might unexpectedly be needed.
But I hope that note goes in your purse to New York for a rainy day.
I'm saving them for a rainy day.
Effectively search for a word in online dictionaries, follow these steps. Type your word into Google in the specified format. Scroll down to locate the Cambridge Dictionary and open it.
Souvenir.
Souvenir.
Here, you can discover the word's level, its various types, such as verb, noun, adjective, adverb, idiom, or phrasal verb, meanings of the word, examples of usage, dictation, and correct spelling, available in both American and British English. Set something aside, phrasal verb, to save something, usually money or time, for a special purpose.
Watch out, from now on I want 40% of everything we make set aside for legal fees.
Richard set aside enough money for Mama to live 6 months.
But every other Friday, I put all the money I made into an account, set aside for a proper house with a wide picket fence.
Save something up, phrasal verb, A2. To keep money so that you can buy something with it in the future.
I'm gonna save up all my money, and then I'm just gonna make art for a year, nothing else.
Work some more before then, try to save up some money, at least.
Just a good girl, trying to save up, open a beauty salon.
I'm gonna get a job. Save up for singing lessons.
It took Grandpa years to save up for this place.
Can afford, phrase, B1, to be able to buy or do something because you have enough money or time.
I'm heading off to Chicago as soon as I can afford up savings for it.
Seriously?
Yeah, well, as soon as I can afford it, I'm gonna get implants.
And stay at a hotel?
We can afford it.
Well, I certainly couldn't afford it.
I just wish I could afford it.
Only Phil could afford all those lines.
We can't afford to waste this.
Be in the red. Idiom C2. If you or your bank account are in the red, you owe money to the bank. Well off. C1. Rich. Antonym. Badly off.
Oh, Saul left me well off enough,
Now her dad, he's real well off.
Stilson represents both the poor and the well-off, the young and the old.
Even less well off than the upper middle class.
Those who are badly off must go there.
To spend money, These words all refer to giving money to someone or something as a payment for something.
By worrying that you spend money on stuff that's just gonna wilt and die.
Why would Warren spend money on the Bible?
Just took fast to the fear, so you'll go out and you'll spend money on things you probably don't even need, things you probably already have 6 of, so that their advertisers will keep buying ads on their stations.
You spend money on water?